Ready to add some sweetness to this upcoming payday sale? Stay tuned and check out this January 13 to January 15 only here at Equal. Ito ang hindi lang chismis. Dahil this 8-8 Todo Saving Sale, ang Dolly ACV, buy one, take two na ulit, Dolly fam! Say goodbye na sa bloated tummies dahil this gummy will help reduce your cravings. Di lang yan, dahil it supports your good health, heart health, and help boost your immune system. Packed with vitamin B9 and B12 din. 1,199 pesos lang, may 3 bottles ka na. Kaya naman, wag nang palampasin ang deals ito. Pasok na sa live namin or click the yellow basket.
Hello, is the Bear Brand Ramadan bag still available?
Sorry, it's almost out of stock.
We want to collect all the Ramadan themed freebies. It's the last one we need.
Yes, it's still available. You can add it to your cart with our free shipping vouchers.
Collect all our Ramadan themed freebies with other exciting promos. Just click the yellow basket to grab yours now.
At Halloween season pa, kaya wag mo hayaan mag-ghost ka ng mga discounts namin dito. Check out na ng mga speaker namin dahil up to 30 to 50% off mo na makukuha yung mga yan. May iba't ibang speaker kami rito na swak sa pandinig at sa budget mo. So don't let this deal haunt you. Mag-check out ka na! Worried about buying fragrances online? Well, authenticity and fair pricing is important. Our fragrances are 100% original, exclusively distributed by our company, plus it's FDA registered and legally imported. Before it reaches you, our fragrances are carefully examined. Original packaging, sealed box, barcode, and batch code verified. So if you want authentic fragrances, don't miss out our live this December 20. See you there! Gusto mo ba ng real gold at double-digit discount this 3-3? Kung oo, makinig ka dito. Get ready because Palawan Gold is going live this 3-3 for our double-digit sale. May double-digit discounts on your favorite gold pieces. From gold bars to wearable investments, mas magiging affordable ang dream gold mo. At syempre, legit gold, pawnable, at quality you can trust, that's Palawan Gold. So mark your calendars this 3-3 and don't miss our live. This is your sign to invest in real gold for less. Ayaw magpahuli? Kaya wag ka na rin magpahuli. Dahil 10-10 bigatin sale na ng CACPH. Yung mga paborito mong products, makukuha mo ng big discounts at super sulit deals. Pero wait, may pahabol pa. Mas marami kang i-check out, mas malaki yung matitipid. Kaya naman ko nga sa'yo, check out mo na lahat. Guys, ito na yung mga deals sa pinaka-inaabangan ninyo. This 12/12 Bigger Pamasko Sale. Mas bigger ang discount sa Timex PH. As in up to 55% off on selected Timex watches. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng pangregalo this Christmas, ito na talaga ang perfect gift para sa inyo. Kaya make sure to join our live this coming 12/12 dahil mamimigay ng exclusive vouchers at deals si Timex PH during our live. See you there! Ang sabi nila, dapat isa-isa lang ang mood. Pero ba't sa akin ganun? Sabay-sabay 3! Plain cookies, kapag chill. Vanilla naman, kapag gusto ko ng sweet. Choco, kapag bitter. Pero masarap. Parang ako. Kaya naman check out na kayo ng all 3 flavors na to only here in Alibaba.